Hey guys, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to earn money on Wise. First of all, what you have to do is open your Wise application on your phone, and on the top right side of your screen, if on the home page, you will see earn 50 pounds, or you can see different amounts depending upon your country. I will simply click on earn 50 pounds, and then it will give me a link which I will simply click on the copy button, and the link will be copied to my clipboard. Now what I will do, I will send this link to my friends and family. So once they sign up on Wise with my provided link, then what will happen, Wise will send me 50 pounds for their sign up. So basically what we are doing, we are inviting people to use Wise. So if more people use our invite link and start using Wise, then you can double or triple this amount again and again. So it depends upon how much people do you convince to use Wise with your given link. That's simply how you can earn money on Wise. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.